Claude just opened 18 files to answer one question. That's not intelligence. That's wandering. Give it a map before it burns the context window. That's what Graphify does. Your agent does not need a bigger prompt. It needs a route. Scene 0 showed the failure. Claude had files but no order of attack. Graphify is the connections layer. It shows what exists, how it relates, and which files deserve attention first. Graph before grep. Map before more context. Do not treat Graphify like a full memory system. It is not the place where your agent decides what is true. It is the connections layer. Structure tells Claude where knowledge lives. Retrieval finds evidence. Trust decides what to believe. Graphify answers the question before all of that. How are these pieces connected? Setup is simple. Install Graphify with pip install Graphify. Then run Graphify on the folder you actually work inside. The first run builds Graphify out. Graph.json for agents, graph.html for visual inspection, and graphreport.markdown for humans. Use query when you need broad context. Use path when you need the route between two concepts. Use update when the workspace changed. The real test is not whether the graph looks cool. The test is whether it gives Claude the smallest correct context set. In this workspace, I would ask, what connects the video pipeline, the brand voice system, and the AI memory nodes? Without a map, Claude opens file after file. With a graph, you start from cited nodes and paths, then open only what the task needs. After the graph is built, do not start with the prettiest view. Start with main nodes, the files, docs, or concepts the workspace orbits around. Then inspect clusters to see neighborhoods of related work. When two systems feel far apart, use shortest path. That gives Claude the route between them before it opens files. Before you hand the graph to Claude, check the edge type. Extracted edges are the strongest. The parser saw the relationship directly. Inferred edges are useful, but inspect them. Ambiguous edges are not instructions. They are verification points. The graph gives Claude a route. You still decide what evidence is reliable. Start manual, build the graph, open the report, find the main nodes and shortest path for your question. Then give Claude the route. These are the files, concepts, and edges to inspect first. Use Graphify for relationship, impact, and navigation questions. Use ripgrep when you need one exact string. The first run is not where Graphify wins. The first run builds the map. The value compounds on the second question, the next session, and every time Claude does not rediscover the same workspace from zero. Think of it as onboarding once, then reusing the orientation layer. Do not just paste the report into Claude. Give it a task-shaped route. Say, inspect these main nodes first. Follow this shortest path. Verify these inferred edges. Then answer the original question with only the files that matter. Use Graphify when the question crosses files, docs, systems, or sessions. Use it for onboarding, impact analysis, architecture questions, and messy workspaces. Do not use it for one exact string. That is ripgrep. And if the repo is tiny, the graph may be overkill. Use maps when work crosses boundaries. Run Graphify on one real repo. Ask one relationship question. Claude usually needs 10 files to answer. If the graph gives you a cleaner route, keep it in the workflow. That is the shift. Your agent stops searching blindly and starts navigating.